everyone, welcome to today's video, and it's going to be a very fun one because today I'm doing what I eat in a day on intermittent fasting. I absolutely love these videos and I find them super relaxing and inspiring to eat better and to cook more. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So my day starts with a black espresso coffee, and I have only this for breakfast because, as I mentioned, we are doing intermittent fasting since November, the beginning of November, I believe. And what this means is that you eat for a period of 8 hours and then you fast and you don't eat for a period of 16 hours. And how we do our fast at the moment is that we eat from 12 at noon until 8 p.m. in the evening. And I would love to switch it up and make the dinner earlier, at least 7, but at the moment this is how we do it. So until noon I just have my black coffee and water. So it's finally time for our first meal of the day, or how I call it, our brunch, because it's something between lunch and breakfast. And since it's my first meal of the day, I love having something like breakfast, and I usually have a avocado toast with eggs or just a cheese and ham toast. Or another thing that I like is just yogurt with some fruits. And I will boil 2 eggs, one for today and the second one I will leave it for tomorrow. I boil my eggs for around 6 minutes because I like them quite raw. For the toast I use half of this avocado because it's quite a big one. I will smash it and put it on the slices of bread with some sea salt, lemon and cherry tomatoes on top. Oh, thank God, it's perfect, and isn't this so delicious? I love cutting my avocado into super small pieces and smashing it and spreading it on the bread, but I still have to feel a little chunks of the avocado. A little bit of sea salt. I actually prefer pink Himalayan salt, but this is what we have at the moment. A tiny bit of lemon because it's super fresh, and I always put some cherries on top. The egg is done and it's just perfect, exactly how I like it. I will just put a little bit of salt on it, a few olives, because I'm just obsessed with olives. And that's it. That's my first meal. I recently tried the avocado toast for the first time and it's so worth it. Now I'm obsessed and I want to eat them all the time, and they are kind of healthier toast to have, so I love it. And if you haven't tried this, just try it and I'm sure you won't regret it. So for snacks I love a few things. First is a protein shake, and this one is from the brand, I think, Optimum Nutrition or something like this. My husband buys these, and this is the chocolate peanut butter flavor. I love it. It tastes so chocolatey and sweet. It's great because I don't crave any other sweets and chocolate other than this. I sometimes have a banana with it or just a banana, but my most favorite afternoon snack or dessert is strained Bulgarian yogurt. I think that's how it's called. It's the yogurt with the water removed from it, so it's more dense, with a spoon of honey, walnuts or some kind of nuts, and a fruit. And I like it with blueberries. It's super quick and easy, and it's great for a healthier dessert. So in a cute glass like this, I just add a few spoons of this strained yogurt. spoon of honey because I don't like it super sweet. Not a full spoon, but something like this. I will sprinkle some walnuts that I have here in this jar. And a few blueberries on top to make it extra delicious. And then you just mix it and enjoy it. It's so good. I highly recommend this dessert. So guys, it's time to cook some dinner. And for dinner tonight we're having chicken breasts and I'm making some baked veggies. I'll be mixing French potatoes, sweet potato and a onion, and I bake this in one big tray with some seasoning, and it's super delicious. I think it's a super quick and easy meal. And I will start off with the vegetables because they take a lot longer. And now this is what my good veggies look like. French potato, sweet potato and onion. And now I just have to season them. And I season them with a little bit of salt. You can add black pepper if you like. I don't really like. Some garlic powder. It's so good. I add garlic powder to almost everything I feel. And what else? Smoked paprika. Also some smoked paprika. It's so essential and we love it in our family. And last but not least, some rosemary. And if you like rosemary, this is a really great seasoning for this mix. This mix of regular potatoes, sweet potatoes and onion is just so delicious. I absolutely love it. And last, some oil, and I will put them in the oven for 40-45 minutes, and in about 10 minutes I will put the chicken as well. Here we have the chicken tenders and I have to season them now with some salt. I think the best salt is the Himalayan pink salt. Some mixed peppers, a little bit of garlic powder, and my personal favorite, smoked paprika. And finally, a little bit of oil of your choice. Mix it well and it goes in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. And don't overcook them and they will be super juicy. And in the oven is definitely my favorite way to cook chicken. It's healthy, it's delicious, and it's super quick and easy. And I will add just a little bit of water to them. The water is just to cover the bottom of the tray. And I will add a little bit of white wine. Meanwhile, while everything is in the oven, I will just cook some rice. I don't have a rice cooker, so I'm cooking the rice just in water. But this is super great for the next day, not for tonight, but with the leftovers from dinner, this will be super nice to have tomorrow. It will be a super nice bowl to have for lunch or even for dinner. And now everything is cooking, so I think it's a super easy meal, very quick, and it will be super delicious at the end. And this is what we have usually for dinner, some lean protein with a lot of veggies. Last night we had salmon with a very big salad. I just like quick dinners that don't take a lot of time to cook. And I just want to show you my sous chef, Summer. She is our little baby. I love you, baby. And this is the final result. Dinner is ready. Rice is cooked too, but we will leave this for tomorrow. And this is our meal for tonight. I forgot to mention that I'm of course making this meal for two for me and my husband. Doesn't look like much, but it's super delicious and it's one of our favorite meals. And I think this will be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really had so much fun doing this video. It's been an entire day of filming, but it was so worth it. Now it's time for us to enjoy our dinner. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Ciao!